Gentlemen, and welcome to Mighty Grow Nursery's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be finding our roots by discussing 3 cheap plants that you can plant in your garden year-round. First plant we're going to look at is called an Acorus grass. It's a very resilient grass and can be planted in your garden year-round. It's frost resistant and it's also very cheap. Here at Mighty Grow Nursery we sell them for 12 Rand a plant, and to give international context to that price you would expect to pay about $1. It uses very little water and is therefore very easy to maintain and very cost effective. You can trim it to any length that you wish if you do not want it to be this long. The second plant we're going to be looking at is called a Mondo grass. It's like the Acorus, it's very resilient. A nice feature of this grass is that when you lay flagstones in your garden, you can plant it in between the flagstones and it will grow to fill the area. It will look very nice. It's also very cost effective to maintain as it uses very little water, and you can trim it to any length that you like. Here at Mighty Grow Nursery we sell them for about 6 Rand. To give international context, that would be about 50 cents in dollars. The third plant we're going to be looking at is called Abelia. Abelia is particularly nice because it has a nice little white flower that it carries year round, and it looks very beautiful in gardens. Here at Mighty Grow Nursery in Vanderbijl Park, South Africa, we sell the Abelia for 26 Rand a plant. To give international context, that would be about $2 a plant. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our video with your friends. Tune in next week for another video.